Bomb Guardian, Agon Temple, Agon Wastes, Dark Samus, Sanctum Sky Temple, Emperor Sky Temple, Caretaker Class Drone, Main Research Sanctuary Fortress, Power Bomb Guardian, Under Temple, Dark Tortoise Bog, Chykka, Dark Tortoise Temple, Dark Tortoise Bog, Grapple Guardian, Sacrificial Chamber, Dark Tortoise Bog, Alpha Blogg, Hydrodynamo Shaft, Main Hydro Chamber, Tortoise Bog, Boost Guardian, Dark Tortoise Arena, Dark Missile Trooper, Hive Chamber A Temple Grounds, Alpha Splinter / Dark Alpha Splinter, Temple Sanctuary Great Temple, Alpha Sandigger, Agon Temple, Jump Guardian, Judgment Pit, Dark Agon Wastes, Spider Guardian, Dynamo Works Sanctuary Fortress, Amorbis, Dark Agon Temple, Dark Agon Wastes, Quadraxis, Hive Temple in Hive.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.